What's up, Internet? It's Network Chimp here with a crash course on an awesome new product. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how to replace your complicated NGINX server with Portzilla. Portzilla runs on the Cloudflare network. If you're a Cloudflare user, you can install it for free today. If you don't use Cloudflare, you should check it out because it gives you free SSL certificates and DDoS protection. Portzilla lets you proxy traffic to any service on your domain. I can sum it up with a single curl command. Traffic on ec2.networkchimp.com/blog will proxy to a React app that's running on another server. All I have to do is open port 3000 and set a CNAME record to the server. Portzilla replaces your NGINX server with a really simple configuration. Here's all you need to know to master Portzilla. The route URL is the route you want your app or API to appear on, and the target port is where it's running. That's all there is to it. Let's set it up. Okay, so here's my ec2.networkchimp.com/blog route with nothing on it. In a few clicks, I'll make it a React app with Portzilla. Let's get started. Okay, here's where all the magic happens. This is the Portzilla installation page on cloudflareapps.com/apps/Portzilla. If you remember from the second slide, there's only a few configuration options that we need to worry about. First one here is not important, it's just for your records. It's the route name. This is something to remember the route by. We'll just call it Hello World for the demonstration here. The first important one is the route URL. We're going to set this to the route that we want to proxy traffic from, and this is going to be ec2.networkchimp.com/blog, and my React app is actually running on port 2060, so I'm going to put that into my target port. There's one other bit here that we need for front-end frameworks. Since React serves static assets, we need to put in the directory that the static assets are being served from. And that happens to be ec2.networkchimp.com/static for the create React app that I'm running. That's literally all there is to it. Let's press install here and see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to reload my page here and see if it worked. Cool, looks like we got the app rendering. If I click around the navigation here, my routes are appearing correctly in the URL bar. I'm using React Router, and everything looks like it's set up just fine. We're proxying traffic from the /blog route to my React app running in the cloud using Portzilla. No more NGINX required. You can install Portzilla on Cloudflare today for free. Check it out and let us know what you think.